Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another NES game. And we're going to play Wheel of Fortune featuring Vanna Live. Let's see how we do. First round category is things, and I get to start. I'll have an S. 1S. $500. Is there a T? All right. $300. Is there an R? There is an R. I'll have an L. I'll have a Y. I'll have an M. I'll have a C. I'll have a J. And I'll have a W. Well, $2,400 at the end of the first round. Costume jewelry. And I've won $2,400 so far. We're going to move on to our second round with the $2,500 based on the wheel. And we're going to get another puzzle loaded up right about now. $2,400 category for this round is person. All right. Let's get this round started. $200. There's no R, so we have to move over to Leslie. $400. No M. My turn. N. And there goes the 200. Sarah. Two S's, alright. $3.50. Nope, no H. Leslie. $4.50. No Q either. I'll have a T. No, there's no T. Can't seem to find any letters. $800. No Y. Leslie's turn. Oh, we do have an L up there. $3.50. No C. Well, $200. K. Yeah, 3 Ks. That's as far as I could go. Klaus Kinski. We're going to move on to our third round with a $3,500 space on the wheel, and we'll get another puzzle loaded up right after this. $3,000 is how much I have. The category for our third round is title. That's a lose a turn. That's a bankrupt, Sarah. No R's. Leslie. No S either. $200. A T. 1 T. Spin it again. One H. I'll have an L. I will indeed. There are 2 L's. $5.50. F. Alright. How about an M? How about 3 of them? And I'll have an N. The Flim Flam Man. And we're going to get ready for our fourth round with a $5,000 space out on the wheel. And another puzzle coming up. $8,600 in cash is what I'm won. We're going to try to solve person. And I get to start. So here we go. $200. Is there an R? There are 3 of them. That's $600 right there. Let me buy a vowel. E. Alright, 1 E. Could I buy an A? 2 of those. $800. C. I'll buy an I. 1 I. Okay. Oh, hello! Is there a T? There is no T. So we have to move over to Sarah. $900. Do we have an S? I should have picked that. Oh, well. Yep. She's solving it. What do we have? Carrie Snodgrass. I've never heard of her. But what matters most is I won the game and I get to go to the bonus round. And I've already decided which letter I'm going to choose. There's 5 prizes. A little car, boat, jewelry, cruise, $25,000 cash. I'm going to go for the first E. Thing will be the category. And let's go ahead and put up the R, S, T, L, N's, and E's at this time. I get a few of them. All right. Okay, so we got 1 of each. Now we need 3 more consonants and a vowel. Okay, let me try a D, an M, G, and I'll take an O. Well, I'm going to get 2 letters only. Will it be enough to do it? We'll find out soon. I'm afraid I'm not going to get this one because I don't know what it is. But still, $8,600 isn't too bad. Let's see who it was who I couldn't figure it out. It was Holy Sacrament. Alright. What would I have won? Would have won the cruise. But that's okay. $8,600 in cash. Not bad. and I'm going to see you all for another game right after this break.